Hi viewers, how are you? I am Khuram Janjua. Hope you all fine by the grace of Almighty Allah, and hope you are enjoying the rainy season, and it has been raining the whole day, so I'm feeling cold really. So let's start the new episode of Enrich Your Vocabulary with Khuram Janjua. So without wasting any time, I'm going to discuss the word with you as you have been anxiously waiting for the words. So the first word is apathy. Apathy इसका मतलब होता है बेहिसी. For example, insensitivity to suffering. Synonyms are insensitivity and insouciance. Antonyms are care, concern, and sympathy. So go for the next word, and the next word is aplomb. A-P-L-O-M-B, aplomb. It's a noun and it means self-confidence, kamil khud etmadi. And the synonyms are panache and intrepidity. And antonyms are confusion and hesitancy. The next word is apostate. Apostate is an adjective and noun. It's a noun and adjective as well. It means a person who gives up his religious faith and beliefs. And the synonyms are recreant and treacherous. Antonyms, loyalist and devotee. And go for the next word, appal. Appal is a verb. It means sadma punchana, ya dismay or shock. And the synonyms are nauseate and outrage. And the antonyms are encourage and reassure. So hope you have enjoyed the word series and utilize all these words in your writing and speaking. As you know that practice makes the man perfect. Take a great care of yourself. I'll see you with the new episode of the word series, and will bring for you the new words. All the best.